This model kit review is of the Bristol Boxkite from 1911, and it is a 1/48 scale model by Lifelike Hobby Kits. And don't see any other pictures of it, but here's some details about the actual plane. So we're still learning how to fly. Let's have a look inside. A number of sprues here. Like a lot of the pieces have been cut up. It's a very old model kit. With a lot of pieces. So now we've got all those pieces out. Let's have a look. It looks like we have a stand. And we have some of the frames here. There's possibly some details for the inside of the cockpit with the controls. Molding quality is okay. Here we have parts of the wings. Reasonable molding quality. Here's another part of the framing. And we have a pilot. It's got some flashing and some mold lines. And we have another part of the wing and control surfaces and other wing parts. All reasonably well molded. Control surfaces will go here. And this must be part of the tail or a stabilizer. And more wing parts. And here we have some of our braces, as well as another wing part. You can see there the mold lines. Those are easily sanded off. We have our landing skids as well as wheel. We have some more wheels here. These are like the bicycle wheels from way back. Here we have our radial engine, which has got some nice little details on there, but also some mold lines. And the wing section. This looks like part of our aileron with some mold lines or flashing there. Here's our probably part of our elevator, and then the stand. That'll go there. Control surfaces, these are probably for the tail. Here's our propeller. Those large flat props. And we have our seat. And looks like probably a fuel tank. And lots of old little braces and pieces here. These are just pieces of sprue. Let's have a look at our instructions. These are really old instructions. So, here you start off with the engine, and then the center section, including all the braces, tails put together. Then the other frame parts, wings, and then the undercarriage. And it shows you some of the additional details here, including all the rigging, wings, control wires, and so on. It's a very difficult model to put together if you can do all the rigging. If you don't do that, it'll be very easy. But molding quality is reasonable for such an old model.